Hello ladies and gents. So what we have here, we have this little motion censored alarm, and what I have over there is a friendly giant in dreadlocks, and I've asked him to come along with me now because I'm going to test this alarm. It's a motion sensor alarm. He's going to try to steal my bike without the alarm going off, so we're going to see if these are actually any good. So the best place for me, I believe, to put this alarm is under my seat, if I can open my seat. So I'm going to stick that in there, put the seat back on. You ready to steal something? Right, I should listen. That's it, it's armed. Oh, that's not looking good. Ah, there you go. Would that put it down and then it goes. Oh, there you go. That's it locked.
See, I think I just got a gentler hand at him.
Right, he's going to give it another go.
Are you going to try and send it down, or are you still doing it on that?
I've locked it. You only want it because you know the Fazer is better than the Bandit.
Oh yeah, of course for you.
And I completely believe what I'm saying.
Oh, when that time. There you go, you can have your Bandit back. What can I say? It's got gentle hands.
I've locked it, so I've run. Oh, there you go.
Right, is it relocked?
It's locked now. Just locked. That's just one alarm. That's not going to put you off like it should. There you go. There you go. Stolen it. That is now a stolen motorcycle. Oh no. Couldn't stop it then. Alright, thanks for that. Thanks for the help. So this little alarm that partially worked, is it really worth it? It only cost £20, so I guess so. I think that's enough to put some people off. But if you want to get the better ones, go for the better one. I'll put a link in the description below of the exact one I got. You can actually change the sensitivity levels, but I haven't quite worked that out yet, so maybe I had the sensitivity low, but I think that's enough to put people off. Because the trouble with motorcycles actually get stolen 11 times more than cars, well at a 11 times higher rate than cars, because of the fact that you can just push a motorcycle. So if you're pushing a motorcycle and the alarm's going off, people might question it. However, unfortunately, in a lot of places, people just chuck them in the back of vans. And in that case, I don't think this alarm would really solve that problem. Anyway, ladies and gents, boys and girls, and anyone in between, any questions, feel free to ask, and I'll see you on the flip-flop.